Can you change your country or region or location on Roblox? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So Roblox currently does not allow users to directly change their country, location or region through the account settings. However, there are several methods you can use to update your account's location. So for that, you need to first go ahead and contact the Roblox support. So go to roblox.com/support and hit enter in your keyboard. This will take you to the Contact Us page where you need to fill up your contact information such as your username, your first name, your email address, confirm the same email address in another field. Select the device type that you're having problem on and also select the type of help category. After that, in the description box, explain why you need to change your account location, example, relocation, incorrect reason, and all. Submit the form by tapping on the continue option in the bottom and wait for a response from Roblox support. And also be prepared to provide supporting documents such as proof of residence if required. You can also go ahead and update your payment information so your account's reason is tied to your payment method and billing address. So to get update, you can log into your Roblox account on PC, then go to settings. After that, tap on payment method, and here after updating your account location, it should reflect the new billing address as well. And if you're using the mobile device, changing your device region may affect your ability to access certain apps or content. So use a VPN for temporary access if you want to access region-specific content temporarily. So install a trusted VPN service on your device and connect to the server in the desired country. And it should recognize the VPN's location. So be aware that using a VPN may violate Roblox terms of service and could lead to account restrictions. So install a virtual location tool which is compatible to your device and connect the device to your computer and launch the tool. And ensure that you use reputable tools to avoid compromising your account security. And always comply with the Roblox terms of service when attempting to change your account location. And using unauthorized methods may lead to account suspension or other penalties. So if you're unsure, you can contact the Roblox support, which is the safest approach available. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.